Now we will go for bracing connections, right?
Yeah.
You can use the bracing connection 20 number tube cassette. No, not tube cassette. Type here portal bracing like that. Just click the column and bracings. It will appear here like that.
Perfect.
Which type of connection generally used in the circular hollow sections?
Yeah, like that one.
Okay, then fine. And for the center connection of bracing, you have to split one circular hollow sections for the connection. So we'll go for the edit and split any one you can choose and just click the center and go for the connection, click the main part and then click the second part and mouse middle button. Sorry, we have to connections one by one. First main part and the secondary part, and click mouse middle button. It will appear here like this, and second time we'll go for this. Now we can go for the edit. Let's take here 10 parts. Gasket will be the 16 mm. Let it be. Base T will be the same. Web will be the same. Base 2. Let's take bolt 1, 16 here. Take here 15 or 10 mm. 40 is okay. Here we use 2, 30 or 45. Here also use 40. It is here 2. Here will be the 40. 2 for 45. Let's make it 50, and here also 50. It's okay. Go for the next. The next will be the same. Two for 50, and here is 40. The connection will be the same.
Yeah.
Just click and modify.